ibyo kwamurabizemo ni babiri binji.
When you know what it is to give thanks and you actually thank those for whom gratitude is due, you will see how good it is to be in such a relationship. Kusiima. I implore you young girls and all of you who are here, please learn to give thanks.
Juliet Atuhire Muzora uri mukuru w'ishomero ahantu hashoborire okwishomero umwaka guhire ribasize gukora kurunji. Ogu nagira ngo okora kurunji no bukira bene cyo baritire kusiima bituwe mukuru w'ishomero agizire ngo bamwumbantu abashomire ayishomereri abari minisitiri w'byobwegese hamwe n'abandi bakozero mwoga muhango aho basimire hamwe na patron w'ishomereri oriyo muhamuzi mukuru wa mukuru w'ihanga America Recruit.
To our own girls, the Ruhanga, bravo. We thank you so much. We thank our patron, Canon Honorable Mary Karoro Kut, and my fellow own girls for the selfless and great love to our school, especially as you rolled out yourselves in the mud at whichever cost support the construction of this chapel.
Chairperson wa PTA ashabira beji okutamu amani bakayongera gukora kurunji omukushoma kwabo.
If you want to be stars as the friends that you have seen in front of you getting the prizes, you must run ahead, you must work hard, you start from senior 1 ahead, so that when you reach a senior 4, you also become a star as you have seen your friends. If it goes to senior 6, you also need to start early.
Brenda namanya hana oli headgaru kandogo ainobuhabuzi obwaherize abeji batahiwe na mnonga abari mu classe ya kana ne ya mukaga.
Co-curricular activities, be it leadership, sports, clubs, and chapel. This is an eye-opener, especially to the candidates 2024. Work without play makes Jack a double. As Zig Ziglar quoted, success is the maximum utilization of the ability that you have. Do not sit on a talent because you are stuck with books.
We were disciplined. Personally, I had never been called in the office for staff for an indisciplined case. So we performed because we were disciplined.
Robert Atuhire uri RDC wa Bushenyi azenka government okurujira nteka ya president omwana wo mwishiki natekwa gumizamo ari kushagikwa.
Sure, we are going to transform Uganda or society at large is to educate the girl child. So what is happening at Weranyanji is testimony to that vision of His Excellency the President.
Gasha kwa Gerard Tugume ahabwa Sky TV omuri